guys, how are you? I hope you're having a great time. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about stock trading, which broker or company is better for you if you want to trade stocks or if you just want to invest in the stock market and you don't know how to start. So in this video I'm gonna compare two best companies that I am using. So especially if you are staying in the UAE. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This is my channel. So far we have 168 subscribers. Would like to say thank you everyone for your support and supporting the channel. My channel is all about making money and how to grow your money to become a financially free. So without wasting any more time, I'm gonna discuss with you guys first the interactive brokers. So if you guys want to trade in the US stock market, this is gonna be one of the best brokers that you're gonna use. I'm gonna discuss with you guys the pros and cons, so you will see if it is better or no, and then I will go to explain also about Sarwa and what's the pros and cons of using it, and that will give you a clear idea which one is better for you to use. So I will start with Interactive Broker. This is the website of this broker. So I already wrote here all the pros and cons, so I will start real quick. The first thing is that it is really a good broker for casual or advanced traders. It means that if you are new to the stock market, or even if you are a really advanced trader and you know everything about the stock market, this broker is going to be amazing for you to invest in your money in. It will allow you to do a lot of stuff, and it will allow you also to trade a lot of options as well. You have a big option of stocks that you can buy and hold and trade and do whatever you want to do with it. All right. You have something called margin accounts. So if your budget is low and you want to do something called margin accounts, you want to trade with a big amount of money and you want to do that, this broker is gonna make that possible for you. If you don't know what is a margin accounts, make sure to do a research about it. I don't actually advise you to use it, but if you are a professional trader and if you know what to do, then of course you are allowed to do it. If you are not, if you are still a beginner, don't go for a margin account, just go for a simple account. Okay, it allows you also to trade options. All right, so as I said, options as well can be a part of your investment. If you want, if you are a professional trader, you want to also trade in options, you can do that. The website has a great research tools. It can help you determine what's going on with the stock market, which stock is performing good, and all of this good stuff. You can do it in this platform simply by just going to the website and scrolling to the tools that they are providing you with, and you can do that easily. All right, the most important thing that I can see for this broker is actually this one. It's available for international investors. So especially for you guys, if you're staying in the UAE or staying in Europe, or it doesn't matter which country you are in, Interactive Brokers has an option for more than 218 countries around the world that they are allowed to trade in the US stock market, which is really, really good for all the investors who are willing to do that. So this is one of the best thing about this company. So a lot of brokers are also really nice, but unfortunately they don't allow you to trade in the US stock market if you are not inside the USA. So that's a really great advantage. One thing also is the low commission. They have really one of the best low commissions. So as you know, brokers, they make money from commissions. In order for you to buy or sell stocks, they take a small commission. Interactive brokers, one of the best in the commission. So this is also, you can research about it and you can be sure about it. I did my research and I understand and I make sure that it is one of the low commissions because I am currently using this broker. So of course I will not be happy if I am paying a lot of commission for them as well. All right. Last but not least is the fractional shares. You can buy fractional shares. If you don't know what is a fractional share, is that, for example, Apple stock can cost you around $150. You can also buy half of that stock, of course. Like you can pay half or even less amount of that. You can buy $10 worth of Apple stock if you want. So that's the kind of the meaning of fractional shares. You can buy as much as you want from the companies or the stocks that you want to invest your money in. All right. So we talked about the best thing about interactive brokers. Now let's talk about the downside of it. First of all, it's really complicated to open an account with them. They're really slow in the process of that. So it takes time. You need to send them documents. You need to deposit some cash with them, which takes a long time. So that's a downside. All right, second thing is that if you want to use the trading platform that they provide, it can be really complicated, especially if you're a beginner. But you can also use their website to buy and sell stocks, so at least you have an option to do. All right, so you don't have to download the trading platform, but for the ones who want to trade like professionals, it can be a little bit complicated. All right. Okay, the last one is the customer service. Customer service is really not that promising, you know. I don't know if they don't have a lot of stuff in the customer service, or I don't know, but they take really a long time to respond. If you have any issue, and of course you're dealing with money, sometimes you are frustrated, you need an answer as soon as possible, but unfortunately they take time to do that. All right, so that's all about interactive brokers. So now let's move to Sarwa. Sarwa, I made a lot of videos about Sarwa. I'm really, really happy about founding this company. I'm using this company for more than 7 months now. So I'm really happy with them. But of course, everything has a drawback. I'm gonna show you now the advantage, of course, of using Sarwa. And if you want to know more, I will put a playlist here. You can see the videos that I'm posting. And also I'm sharing with you guys my personal profile with them. You can see how much money I'm investing and how much money I get already or so far with Sarwa. So first thing first is opening an account. Opening an account is really easy. You only need $5 to verify your accounts, and also you're gonna send them documentation, and all of that stuff is gonna be really, really fast, especially if you're staying in the UAE, because they are based in the UAE, so they do everything so quickly. And also, if you use the link that I'm gonna provide you with in the description below, they will give you a welcome bonus of $50. So this is also great if you want to start and you don't have a lot of budget. You only have $5 or even $10, and you want to just test the platform and see what's going on. You can try my link. You're gonna get $50. Of course, I'm gonna get some $50 as well. But if you don't use the link, of course, you're not gonna get anything. I'm not gonna get anything, so no one is happy. All right. Second thing is that they have really nice customer service. They really answer you really quick. If you have any issue, if you want any clarification with the account, if you don't know a lot about stocks and you want to ask them about something, they'll really answer you really quick. All right. The stock markets professionals, they are using really professional people who knows a lot about the markets, and they know where to put your money in order to get the best performing stocks in the market without risking a lot on your budget. All right, so that's also an advantage. The exchange rate, since if you are in the UAE, it's really easy. They are linked with UAE banks, and you can easily send them the money, and it takes a little bit of time, but at least the rate is not that terrible, you know, because you're already using from the bank. It's like transferring money to someone or a friend or something, so you don't have a higher rate. One more thing is that the platform is very simple. You don't do anything actually. You're not the one who's buying or selling the stocks. They have professionals who are doing this for you. So you only deposit or withdrawal money. That's the only thing that you're going to do. And of course, if you are concerned about the risk, you can also adjust the risk of your investment in the platform. If you want to get risky accounts, but you're going to get higher profits, or of course, you can have a conservative account as well if you don't want to see this huge movement of the money. All right, the last thing is that you don't need to do anything. Of course, I just said that before. You don't have to do anything. The platform is really easy and simple to use. All right, the bad things that I'm gonna discuss about Sarah is only these two things, and of course they make sense. So the monthly fees, you're gonna pay a monthly fees. They already show you that in the website. You can go and check Sarwa fees. They have a monthly fees. This is because they are handling your money, they are investing your money, so it's like you're hiring someone to control your money. So this is makes sense, same like you are hiring a financial advisor. So that's kind of like the same thing, but since you are already making money with them, so these fees are not taken from your pocket. They will already just get it from the profit. All right. So the last thing is the depositing and withdrawal process. It takes a bit of a long time. This is also a downfall. I don't like the processing time. It's taking 3, 4, sometimes it can take a week to see money in your account or your bank account. So this is also a bad thing. All right, I hope they will improve this stuff. So that's the all about Sarwa. And now I'm gonna say, if you want to actually use Sarwa, it's really easy, especially if you are a beginner, you have a lower budget. Let's say, for example, $1,000 or 1,000 UAE dirham. You want to start investing somewhere. You don't know anything about the stock markets or anything, and you just want to start invest your money. Sarwa is gonna be the best thing to use. All right. If you have some knowledge about the stock markets, if you want to have an exposure to some different companies, small companies, penny stocks, options, all of this stuff, you can do that from interactive brokers, because interactive brokers, they are not going to charge you a monthly fees. They will already have their commission for the trading, so that's the only thing that they will charge you for, but they will not charge you monthly fees like Sarwa, because no one is handling your stocks. You are the one who's buying, you are the one who's selling. So this is good for like intermediate or advanced traders, or also for day traders if you want to make a living from trading stocks. All right, so that's the comparison between these two. It depends on you which one you want to choose. Personally, I am using both because I'm putting some money in Sarwa as an automated investment, and also I have like a small portion of money in interactive brokers, because sometimes I like to risk money in order to get more money. So this platform, interactive brokers, is a bit riskier, but Sarwa is not, because this one is actually tempting. You see some high growth stocks and you want to make more money, so you can use interactive brokers. But if you want to be disciplined, you don't want to be tempted about the stock market, or even if you don't have time to watch the stock market, Sarwa is going to be amazing for you. You will get your profits. That's all about it. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, and also use the link that I'm going to provide, so you can get $50 free as a welcome bonus with Sarwa. Have a nice day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.